We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we can look for short-term buy. And beside that, we mentioned about bigger correction. Because I mentioned most of the chart, they have a similar movement. Still, we can expect the price to drop. That's why I mentioned we can expect the price drop to 1.3. And as we see exactly the price tag, and now we want to see whether the price can reverse or not. Okay, because we mentioned we're looking for the reversal for the, if he wants to look for buy, we have been looking for this correction anyway. Based on daily chart, we don't have anything to look for. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see, as what we expected, the price exactly tagged 1.3. Okay, and even since the price was within this move, I point on this flat. I mentioned most of the chart they have the similar movement, and even we mentioned we can put this move in relative to this as a bigger internal correction. Okay, now if we put this low in relative to the previous one, we want to see what we have. We have a divergence. Okay, but MACD doesn't show us. All right, now if we, I mean, if we put again, we look at this one as a flat, we can consider the first correction and next. How deep it can go, as what we expected the price drop. Even with the price can break 1.3, even the price can break 1.3, still we can look for, I mean, the price can could drop some more. But what I explain is, if I want to look for reversal, I want to see with the price after, I mean, doesn't break the 1.3 before we get the reversal point. Okay, what I want to see is that from now, if I see any trade setup for buy, this is what I'm interested. It doesn't mean the price is going to reverse. That's mean if I get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, this is what I'm more interested to look for. Okay, but right now we don't have any information for the reversal. Even based on 1 hour chart, the only thing is if we put this low and relative to each other, we see we have a divergence. But MACD doesn't show us a divergence. Okay, that's why we cannot confirm right now. Okay, all depends what we get here. Okay, right now we cannot look for buy or sell, and whoever get the trade for sell, they should start to manage it if they can. If not, take out the trade, and especially whoever get the trade from here. The best thing is we wait for the correction and we see what's the next. Still, we can expect the price drop some more as a corrective move. But if we get any reversal for buy, this is what we will be more interested to look for. All right. But right now, as I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup. We cannot look for buy or sell unless we get the trade setup. And if I move to 15 minutes, we cannot confirm anything yet. In this case, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update or trade, I will share. Thanks.